Alright guys, it's Birch with Spartan, and today we're going to go over lighting your propane logs in your fireplace. Sometimes this can be a little bit of a tedious task. It's important to have a little bit of patience and follow the instruction card that comes with the gas logs if you still have that. A couple of things that you want to check before you get started is to make sure that the tank is turned on outside, and then there's normally a supply line behind the logs that you also want to make sure is turned on. Most fireplaces are going to have controls for the size of the flame, and then off, on, and pilot. And then of course you'll have a striker to actually get the pilot going. So if you look in here, you'll see that this is where the pilot light is. It should be burning just like that. Sometimes you'll go ahead and turn it off during the summer months. So that's how you would probably find it, is just like that. So the key to lighting gas logs is taking the switch that is probably turned off, turning it to pilot, and then what you're going to have to do is get down in here nice and friendly with your gas logs. It's an up close kind of job. This pilot is going to be pushed in, and so you want to push that in and probably hold it for 30 seconds, maybe a minute, especially if this is the first light of the season. It's going to take a couple minutes to get all the air out of the gas lines so that you actually have flammable gas coming up out of the pilot valve. So once you've held that for about a minute, go ahead and hit your striker. Now if you're lucky like that, you should see the pilot light. Now that element has to get hot before the pilot will stay lit continuously. So once again, after it's lit, now I still hold this for another 30 seconds to a minute. After it's all heated up, you'll be able to feel the switch come out and then turn it to the on position. You should get flames. Some of them you'll see a remote box over here, and it'll say remote, off, manual. Usually what that means is I can put that in remote, and you'll find a switch up here next to the fireplace on the wall, which is the same thing as just manually turning this from on, to off. So go ahead and leave it in the pilot position, and next time all you have to do is walk up and either use the clicker to turn it on, use the switch on the wall to turn it on, or manually take it to the on position. Any questions, feel free to give us a call. Of course, if there's something wrong with the logs, get on your tenant portal and put in a work order. We'll get out there to you as soon as possible and get it fixed.